Have years of broken promises, missed expectations, or constant misunderstandings left you wondering if trust could ever be rebuilt in your neurodiverse marriage? Well, the answer is yes, it can. And today I want to walk you through the process of rebuilding trust step by step in a neurodiverse relationship. Trust rarely breaks all at once. It erodes slowly. Maybe he says he'll do something, but it doesn't happen. Or maybe you open up and share your feelings, but he goes silent. Or maybe he takes your words literally when you meant them emotionally. Over time, these small ruptures add up. Neurotypical wives begin to feel unseen and unsupported. And ASD husbands start to feel criticized and never good enough. And before long, both partners are living with walls instead of bridges. The good news: trust isn't an all or nothing thing. It's built in tiny steps: consistency, follow through, honesty. Even after years of hurt, small actions can start stitching the fabric back together. So here's how to start rebuilding. Number 1, start small. Agree on one tiny commitment, like putting the phone down for 10 minutes at dinner. Keep it simple. Keep it doable. Small wins build momentum. Number 2, follow through. Do what you say every time. Reliability rebuilds safety. Number 3, repair quickly. If you fail, and you will sometimes, admit it. Recommit. Honesty builds more trust than pretending everything's fine. Number 4, validate feelings. Even if you don't understand, you can say, I hear you and I want to get better at this. So validation doesn't mean agreement, but it does mean connection. So keep in mind that trust is built slowly, but it's possible even after years of pain. One honest act, one follow through, one moment of empathy at a time. If you want daily tools to start restoring trust, hit subscribe, because on Wednesday, I'm going to share 3 daily habits that make rebuilding trust so much easier. Hey guys, this is Mark. Click on the join button underneath any of my videos, then click on members only videos, and then click on join. And for $9.99 a month, you'll have access to members only videos, which are excerpts from previous workshops I've conducted for NT partners, ASD partners, and the neurodiverse couple. New videos will be uploaded weekly. Would you like to schedule a paid private coaching session? This will be in the form of a face-to-face Zoom call. Underneath any of my videos, you'll see this Calendly link. If you click on that link, it'll open up my calendar. You can pick the available days and times that works for your schedule. You'll get a follow-up email immediately after purchasing a session that will have the Zoom link that coincides with the day and time that you picked. I will get an email too that you scheduled a session, and I will be available on that exact day and time, and we will talk. I look forward to working with you.